Oh, she doesn't like it. Oh, what does she need? She needs water. My question is, what do y'all think she's gonna get first, the water or the food? What do your animals normally get, water or food first? There she is, just staring at me. Well, that should be enough. Okay. And she's following. Pool right there. Food, water. Let's find our hiding spot. She got food, water, and she goes out the water. There we go. Okay, like and subscribe. Comment below what y'all think. What animals y'all enjoy. I'll see you later. Peace.